Okay, so I have written the workflow YAML file of my agent and we are ready to deploy and run this agent. What I have over here in the PyTorch agent folder is the workflow YAML file, and in the example data folder I have the train CSV from Kaggle with the Titanic dataset. So I'm located, I'm in the working directory, I'm in example data and I can start working. So the first thing I need to do is to log in to the Find platform. So I'm gonna hit find dev login and it's gonna redirect me to my browser. So there we go, another tab opened, find dev. We have been successfully authenticated, so I can close this tab and now go back to my IDE and I need to deploy this agent to my workspace. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do find dev deploy -p and provide the workflow file. So it says that it's deploying the agent to my workspace, and if this is successful, then on the web interface I'm going to find the agent when I click Command P or Control P. So let's go to the web interface over here and I will click Control P, and you see that now I have run agent, PyTorch starter agent. So I've successfully deployed the agent to my workspace and now I can run it, but before I can run it I need to activate the proxy so that the server can talk with my local machine and run the commands on my machine. So inside the example data directory, I hit find dev proxy, and the reason I run the proxy inside the example data repository is because this is where I want the agent to work, to look for the CSV files, etc. So now we go back to our web interface. You see here this green dot, this means that the proxy is online and we can run the agent. So I'm starting the agent, I call the PyTorch starter agent, it has been initialized, search CSV has started, locate files is done running, action completed. We see that transform has been completed, and now we are in the right training loop step, which takes a bit more time. This is pretty cool. You see I can see the log of the actions of the agent. So you see that now it's generating a task list for what it has to do to complete what I asked it to do, which is to generate a Python file with the basic training loop in PyTorch for the Kaggle dataset. So let's give it some time. The agent is thinking. Okay, write code is done running, task complete, and now the agent is reporting back to me on its plan of action, and as you can see, it's waiting for my confirmation that these are the right steps to follow. So here's what the agent wants to do. It wants to create source data loader py, model py, train py, evaluate py, utils py. This is quite a lot. I'm only looking for one file, so I'm gonna instruct the agent to just provide me one file with everything inside. Okay, so I re-instructed the agent, and now we are again on the same task of writing the training loop. So the agents always ask for confirmation for the task that they are about to do, and this way you can guide them towards better results. Let's again give it some time and see what will be the new results. Okay, so you can see that the agent decided to create only one file called source main py, and let's see what will be written in this file. I hope that what's going to be inside are the contents that we've already seen that the agent wants to create, such as data loader, the model, the training loop with evaluation, and maybe some utils, for example, calculating the accuracy, etc. Sounds pretty accurate. Let's see what will the agent provide me. Okay, it seems that this step is complete. Main py is ready and source data loader is being deleted. I don't know if it was created, but let's see over here. What do we have? We see that the source folder has been created with the main py, and look at that. We have the tabular dataset. We have the feed forward neural network over here, pretty complex, with the whole feed forward. We have the training loop over here with the optimizer and the loss forward, loss function. with the evaluate function, process data, and the main function. So this is pretty elaborate over here. We have something to get started from, which is pretty great. We have some imports that are marked in red because I did not install PyTorch. You should. And yeah, we can get started. That's pretty great.